Here's my 2003 Land Rover Discovery, fresh off of a 1.5 year rebuild of the engine complete. See, it's nicely sitting and nice idle, easy temp, no other lights or warnings. 215 kilometers, about 3 on the new engine. Everything works. Front and back sunroof, open and slide. Perfect. Fantastic leather. That's the only issue on any of the leather. Interior is fantastic. Driver's seat, still nice. Full engine rebuild, new everything, new wires, new cylinder sleeve. Heads machined and polished. Brand new whole engine. Nice inside rear seat. This is an SE7 model, so we've got the jump seats in the back. These fold out. We've also got roof rack extension rails, not installed yet. All the car mats, even a load space carrier. Inside nice and clean. All the lights work. Hurricane rims, 18-inch. A little bit of rust. Perfect interior. One more tiny blemish. Nice clean on the inside. Dual zone descent control, heated windshield, heated rear. Got 6 CDs under the seat. Nice clean engine bay, as we were saying, with the engine running. There's a nice shiny clean block down there. It was removed. Cylinders honed, one new sleeve put in, one new piston and rings, new wires, rocker covers, heads were machined, new head gasket obviously, new exhaust gasket, new drive belts, new plugs, new fuel injectors. Don't know if we can see those, but new fuel injectors are sitting way back in there. Got photo documentation of the whole rebuild. New power steering power steering fluid lines down there. New air cleaner, obviously. Transmission fluid was just changed. Everything you can think of, all new gaskets. Water pump gasket, oil pump. The troublesome oil pump on these cars, that was checked. It's nice. New gasket in there, new water pump gasket. All new wires again. Even the key fob works.